It looks like we are in for a lovely warm few days this Easter, but please remember to stay home to save lives over the bank holiday weekend. By reducing day-to-day contact with others, we are helping to reduce the spread of coronavirus, helping to save lives, and reduce the considerable burden on the NHS. Gwent Police are out patrolling our streets and open spaces, and I'm pleased to report that the great majority of residents in Gwent are following instructions to stay at home. However, sadly, there are some who continue to ignore the instructions. Gwent Police are stepping up their response to enforcement this week, so if you do go out, please be aware that you may be approached by an officer and asked the purpose of your journey. Police will enforce if they have to help keep our communities safe. Remember, the government's instructions state that you should only venture out for basic necessities like food or medicine, one form of exercise a day, any medical need, for work if you cannot work from home. If we all play our part, we can beat this together. So stay home, stay safe, and have a happy Easter.